Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method expandtabs. So in Python, the expandtabs method returns a copy of the string where all tab characters are expanded using spaces. If tab size is not specified, a tab size of 8 characters is assumed. So here the syntax is we have our string object dot expand tabs, and then there's one parameter tab size equals to 8. So the default spacing here is 8 if no value is actually specified. And so the string here that we'll work with first is programming underscore quote. And the quote here is programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. And there's a tab here, tab character. So first we'll separate this tab character with just a default spacing, so 8 spaces. So without specifying tab size, and we'll print the programming quote dot expand tabs. And so the default spacing here will be 8 characters. And so that's what this returns as output, where this tab character here is now separated here by 8 character spacing. Now, in addition here is using this string here, learn programming, where this is between each letter except for the white space is separated by a tab character. And so by default, to actually print the string, we can print learn programming dot expand tabs. And so at 0 here, there will be no spacing. So this will return just the word, the string, learn programming. And so that's what you see here as output. Now, in addition is we can specify explicitly how many character spacing to separate this by. So we can pass in 3. This will be 3 spaces per tab character. All right, so that's what we have as output for each tab character in this string is now separated by 3 character spaces, and this can be for any value. So this can be specified to 5, where this will be 5 spaces per tab character. Like so. So that will be 5 tab spaces, or it can be 7, or similarly, it can also be 9 or any other spacing that you specify. Yep. And so here we have starting with 0. So that's just the word, the string, learn programming. And then each of these are separated by 3 spaces per tab character, and then 5, 7, and 9. So that's how to use expand tabs method along with the tab size parameter.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.